Well, it seems I got the first flat tire now. Here at camp. So typical. Maybe the first flat tire here before starting at 8. No idea what was going on there with my tire. Maybe it's not flat. Maybe the air just disappeared like that by the flat tire demon. And I'll see in the road if it gets flat again. Just improvising. And today is 100k somewhere in between this place and Bratislava, and I'm tired because it's 8:30. So yeah, let's do this, babes, and see what's going on, what happens today. No idea, like always. Beautiful morning here in Slovakia. Letting that anxiety go of the flat tire and enjoying. And today it's gonna be hot, like 30 degrees. I don't know how many Fahrenheit that is, babes, but yeah, it's delirious. What a funny roadblock for bikes. Pretty cool. The creativity of these traffic planners is endless, peeps. It's just endless. Look at this road, baby. Tired. So tonight I'm staying at a guest house. Sleeping and camping gives you energy, homeboys. It's amazing, this path on the way to Bratislava along the Va. What's up, y'all? Amazing day. Incredible, humongous. Cycling in this super straight road by the channel. It's too hot, baby. Too hot to handle. This is like cycling in the desert. The Slovakian desert. I mean, peeps, what's going on here? This road is just so straight and long. Can't believe it. Super long. Just here in the sun, completely alone, man and women, with nobody. All of this guy here following me all the trip. Can't get rid of this guy. Yeah, complete madness. This crazy trip to Byzantium. Still thinking about Auschwitz sometimes, peeps. It was horrible. Maybe it's catching up now. Look at this cornfields. Look at them, baby. Oh my gosh. Homeboys and homegirls. This is super intense. Cycling along the canal here in Slovakia. I'm starting to forget who am I. Why am I doing this? Some slight headwinds and super hot. No sleep. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna faint soon. Just gonna KO somewhere here in the middle of Slovakia. Please, God, hear my pleads. Bring me some shade and some comfort. I plead to you. I plead to you, Lord. Ease my suffering. Ease. Cycling about 15k, and then I'm gonna go for a short break or a longer run home, boys, because I didn't sleep well last night. Just looking forward to going to a bed, to a cool room. Lord, there's this endless canal and no shade. What the hell, man? Slovakia, what's going on? You were great yesterday. This is the importance of sleep and rest, homeboys and homegirls and peeps. And everybody, I'm just getting mad. This is crazy, I'm getting delirious here. This madness. Just this canal and this bridge, homeboys. I should go for a siesta or something. Homeboys! Homeboys! Look at this fresh asphalt. It seems that they just put it like 5 minutes ago. Still smells peeps, I think I'm hallucinating. I think that's what is having an effect on me. This is crazy, this path. Super long. I don't know what's going on in my head right now, boys. Maybe there was something in those croissants from Lidl that I had for breakfast. But this is driving me crazy. Look at these big trees and this wide cycling path. And that dust at the end. I don't know what's going on here in Slovakia, but this is crazy. It's the sun. It's the sun maybe. Driving me nuts. Holy cow, I swear to the Lord. It was like a small tornado over there. Sorry that I don't have footage to prove it, but it was like a mini tornado. Oh my gosh, peeps, there's something wrong in this place. Finally civilization here. With some colored apartments. Nice colors. This is Trenčín. Super cute town perched on a hill. We have a small train. Super cute, look at that really cute town, Trenčín. Wow. Really nice castle over there. Definitely super nice here in Trenčín with this castle. There was a nice stop, peeps, here in Trenčín. Seemingly the capital of culture for next year. Holy ghost, peeps. Super hot. It's like 35 degrees or something. Not sure, but it's steaming. There's an eerie stillness to this view. The canal and the calm water and those crooked trees and that bridge over there and this incredible hotness. This hell. It's about 8k to go, finally. Arriving to the room. Yeah, the room where I'm staying at. After 100k, here's the town of PIEŠong ANY. Supposedly a spa town. Can't see any spa. Really tired after 100k and bad night's sleep. Not for the faint-hearted. 100k peeps. It sounds easier than what it is. It's quite a challenge, especially in this heat. This town looks kind of weird, to be honest. Looks like the Wild Wild West or something. I bet it's this horrible weather, this hotness. But it's pretty nice unless you have it. I can't even talk, peeps. This is the place, pretty nice. So sleeping in a house today, peeps. Seems that it has a lovely garden. So yeah, pretty exhausted, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And thank you a lot to Studio Paredes for sponsoring the long ride to Byzantium with actually not so much, but at least the emotional support. And if you need an architect, of course, just contact this guy and I'll try to do my best to help you. See you. And tomorrow, Bratislava. Gonna catch you, peeps.